This is Ryan of Team Oslo, Norway. Team Norway. At ako po ay nagsimula mag-Mining City through Sir Mike last June of this year. And now it's September. Kumita? Yes, kumita ako. From one account, ngayon I have 6 accounts. And every day kumikita ako ng active income, passive income, and now I'm to trading. Na kahit papano natututo, this is new to me. Trading is very new to me. Pero kahit papano, alam ko matututunan ko siya. And right now, dumadami na rin kami dito sa Team Oslo, Norway. At lahat sila natutuwa. Why? Kasi nga, sinabi ko, may active, may passive income, may trading. So kung saan nila gusto, meron silang pagkakataon para kumita. And now, I'm telling you guys, kung gusto nyo kumita, pag-aralan natin to pare-parehas. Come and join my team. I'm willing to help you 100% tulad ng ginagawa namin. So, Mining City, yes, it is. Makakapagbabago ng buhay. Together we grow. And good day everyone!